Let's be real for a second. What if I told you 99% of those next 100x gems you see are actually designed to fail? That they're built from the ground up to drain your wallet and then vanish? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the one crypto presale for 2026 that I found after digging through hundreds of projects. It's the single project whose AI-powered fundamentals make it stand out from all the noise and hype. This is the one you can't afford to miss. The world of crypto presales has turned into a digital minefield, and that's putting it nicely. For every one project trying to build something real, there are 100 others built on nothing but hot air and slick marketing. We're drowning in a sea of coins with cute logos that have zero actual utility, all engineered to prey on your FOMO. These things pop up, suck millions from investors who are just hoping to get in early, and then poof, they rug pull, leaving nothing but broken promises and busted portfolios. And it's only getting worse. By 2026, the scams have gotten so much smarter. They're using AI, the very tech we're excited about, to cook up convincing fakes and phishing scams that are almost impossible to tell from the real thing. It feels like a battlefield where the everyday investor is always the target, totally overwhelmed and terrified of making that one wrong move. But what if you had a roadmap, a filter to cut through all that noise? For weeks, that's exactly what I've been doing, digging through the trash, using a super strict checklist to find a project that isn't just trying to survive, but is built to dominate with real-world utility. I was looking for the future, and I think I found it. Today, I'm not just giving you a name, I'm showing you the proof and explaining it's my #1 pick. Before I drop the name, you need to understand the system I used. This is the same blueprint you can use to protect yourself and learn how to spot these projects on your own. My filter has 4 non-negotiable layers. First, real utility and a live product. A white paper is just a list of dreams. It's worthless on its own. I need to see a project that's already solving a problem. Is there a working demo? A beta I can test? Anything that proves the team can actually build? Hype can give you a quick pump, but only real utility will carry a project through a bear market and build lasting value. Without it, you're not investing, you're just gambling. Second, transparency and solid audits. An anonymous team is the biggest red flag in crypto, period. I want to see founders with their names and faces out there, people with a reputation on the line. Just as important, I need a security audit from a top-tier firm like Certic, SolidProof, or CoinSalt. But here's a pro tip. Don't just see the word audited and check the box. Actually read the audit report. Shady projects will get a quick, cheap audit that conveniently leaves out the most important parts, like the presale contract. A great project audits everything. Third, strong and sustainable tokenomics. This is the engine room. It's how the project works and how you get paid. A huge red flag for me is a presale that's selling 80% of the total token supply. That's a classic setup for a pump and dump. A healthy allocation is closer to 50%. I also need to see long vesting periods for the team's tokens, like the 2-year schedule we've seen in projects such as IPO Genie. It proves the team is in it for the long haul. And finally, features that reduce the token supply over time, like the token burns used by Hexidog, are a huge plus because they increase scarcity and value. And fourth, the X factor, future-proof technology. To find a real gem, you have to skate to where the puck is going. And right now, all signs point to artificial intelligence. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a full-blown tech revolution that's changing every industry, including crypto. The projects weaving AI into their core to solve real problems are the ones with the highest potential for absolutely explosive growth. They're building the rails for the next generation of crypto. After running hundreds of projects through this 4-layer filter, one didn't just pass it, blew the competition away. It's a project that's using AI to fix the single biggest problem in the presale space: trust. The crypto presale, I believe, has the most explosive growth potential in 2026 is DeepSnitch AI, DSNT. Now, hold on, don't just rush off to Google it. The what is way less important than the why. DeepSnitch AI is different because it's not another hype-driven meme coin or some vague layer one promise. It's a tool, a utility built for people like you and me, crypto traders and investors. Its whole mission is to be a watchdog in the wild west of DeFi, using AI to sniff out the scams before they happen. Let's look at the evidence. The heart of the DeepSnitch platform is a set of AI agents that watch the blockchain 24/7. Imagine pasting a contract address into a dashboard and getting an instant AI-powered audit that flags risks, analyzes token distribution, and scans for hidden backdoors. That's not a future promise. Their scam auditing tools and the Snitch GPT feature are already live. This is proactive security that gives you the power to make smart decisions instead of just closing your eyes and hoping for the best. The market is already showing massive demand. Its pre-sale is flying, pulling in over $1.5 million, with some chatter suggesting it's already cleared the $2 million mark in its final stages. This isn't just tourist money. It's a sign of real demand for a real solution. On top of that, the community is showing incredible long-term faith, with tens of millions of DSNT tokens already staked. The dynamic staking rewards give people a reason to hold, which helps create a stable price floor after the launch. The pre-sale itself is structured for confidence, with audits from well-known firms. But like I always say, do your own research. Go to their site, pull up the audit reports, and see for yourself what they cover. A project with true conviction has nothing to hide. While the pre-sale is selling out fast, it's a rare chance to get in on the ground floor of a project with immediate, undeniable utility. To really get why DeepSnitch AI is my top pick, let's put it head-to-head with some of the other big pre-sales of 2026. First, you've got Bitcoin Hyper, Dollar Hyper. This one has a monster narrative bringing DeFi to the Bitcoin network with a new layer 2. It's pulling in serious money, with rumors it has already raised over $31 million, showing huge interest. But the Bitcoin L2 space is getting packed. It's a shark tank. While Bitcoin Hyper is a solid project, it's walking into a street fight for market share. DeepSnitch, on the other hand, is carving out its own space in AI-powered security, a wide-open market with very few direct competitors. Next is IPO Genie, Dollar IPO. Another project I really like because of its clear utility. It uses AI to help analyze pre-IPO deals, bridging old-school finance with Web3. With great tokenomics and a 2-year team vesting schedule, it's a perfect example of a stable, long-term hold. I'd call it a low to medium risk play, but the potential for explosive, life-changing growth is, in my view, much higher with DeepSnitch AI. It serves the hyperactive crypto trading market directly, giving it a path to go viral as traders use it to protect their money. Then you have utility projects like HexyDog, Hexy, which is targeting the multi-billion-dollar pet care industry. It's a great example of a low-risk project with a real-world use case and solid deflationary tokenomics. It's a safe, steady play. But again, we're hunting for a 100x gem. DeepSnitch AI's potential market is every single person who trades or invests in crypto, giving it a scale that almost no other project can touch. Even the popular meme projects like Pepetto, which raised millions, are built on shifting sands of cultural hype, not technology. When the market turns, those are always the first to collapse. Projects with utility you can't live without, like DeepSnitch AI, are the ones that survive and end up dominating. If you're getting value from this kind of deep dive analysis, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right now. It lets me know you want more of this content. And while you're there, drop a comment below with a presale you want me to put under the microscope next. I read every single one, and I'm always looking for the next project to investigate. Alright, let's wrap this up. The 2026 presale market is a dangerous place, filled with traps that look like golden opportunities. But true gems are out there. You don't find them by chasing hype on Twitter. You find them by using a disciplined approach that focuses on 4 things: real utility, full transparency, strong tokenomics, and future-proof tech. From all my research, DeepSnitch AI, DSNT, is the project that best embodies all of these principles. It's not just talking about a solution, it has a live product that fixes the biggest headache for every DeFi user: security. Its AI isn't a gimmick. It's the engine for a tool that delivers immediate and continuous value. While other projects like Bitcoin Hyper and IPO Genie are strong contenders, DeepSnitch AI has that rare mix of a huge market, game-changing tech, and perfect timing. The goal isn't just to find one 100x coin. It's to become a smarter investor who can find these opportunities over and over again. The blueprint is right here. Now you know exactly what to look for.